Hey guys, and how's it going? Today we are removing the outer taillight assembly on this Volvo V40. We start off by popping the hatch, and right in this corner there's a door. And then there's a electrical socket, if you will, which holds the bulbs. Kind of tricky to show, but you want to squeeze these two tabs. And we can wiggle it out. And there it went. Have to get a magnet for that. The other one I got. And now the whole thing should be free. And it is. Sounds kind of sketchy. Let's see if I can get that piece out and see what it is. Hey, it was the bulb for the taillights. So let's try to put the bulb back. Make sure it is in place. And it is, and it's working. Nice. So let's reinstall it. And let's secure it with 4 nuts. That's one. Oh yeah, the magnet. Yep, got it. Let's see if we can. That one was a bit tricky, but we got it. And for the two upper nuts, there it is started. That's it. And for the fourth one. Ooh. Spanner for that one. 10 mil. Yeah. And now put the bulbs back. That's it. Make sure it snaps in place. Like so. And nice. So now we can pop this cover back. Like so. Hey. Well, now you know how to remove the taillight assembly on a Volvo V40. Thanks for watching, everyone, and remember, like and subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.